Jesus, lover of my soul. Jesus, I will never let you go. You're taking me from the mighty grave. You set my feet upon the rock I know, and I need you. And though my road upon, I never let you go. My Savior, my closest friend, and I will worship you until the very end. Good evening. Afternoon pala.